Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are diving into the complex but rewarding world of orthopedic joint replacement implants in Southeast Asia. The demand in the ASEAN region is surging. This is driven by an aging population, a growing middle class, and world-class medical tourism hubs in countries like Thailand and Malaysia. However, each market presents a unique set of regulatory and commercial challenges. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A European company with a new hip replacement system approved with a CE mark decided to enter the ASEAN market. They targeted Singapore and Vietnam simultaneously, assuming a similar entry strategy would work. In Singapore, the Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, has a well-defined registration process for Class C devices. The company's comprehensive technical dossier, supported by their CE mark, led to a relatively predictable registration timeline of around 9 to 12 months. However, Vietnam was a different story. The Department of Medical Equipment and Construction, or DMEC, has its own specific documentation and legalization requirements. Their dossier needed translation and local notarization, which caused initial delays. Furthermore, appointing a local license holder who wasn't a true regulatory partner led to communication gaps. The Vietnamese authorities requested additional data on local biocompatibility, a requirement that was not anticipated, stalling the process for 6 more months. This case highlights a critical lesson. A one-size-fits-all approach to ASEAN is a recipe for failure. Another key area is the diversity in device classification. For example, a knee implant is consistently a high-risk device, but ancillary products like surgical cement or instruments can have varying classifications between Malaysia's Medical Device Authority and the Philippines' FDA. This impacts everything from labeling requirements to post-market surveillance obligations. Understanding these nuances from the start is crucial for budget and timeline accuracy. Companies must also track the ASEAN Medical Device Directive, or AFDD. While the goal is harmonization, its adoption and implementation vary significantly from country to country, creating a patchwork of regulations rather than a single unified system. Navigating this landscape requires deep, on-the-ground expertise combined with a strategic global perspective. At Chen-Global, we specialize in transforming these complex regulatory challenges into clear market access strategies. If you are looking to expand your orthopedic device footprint in ASEAN, contact us to see how our blend of local intelligence and advanced AI tools can streamline your path to success. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.